The two blocks in figure are at rest on frictionless surfaces. What must be the mass of the right block in order that the two blocks remain stationary? Here, two blocks are resting on an inclined plane and are connected by a cable via pulley. And then both the surfaces are frictionless, and then the pulley is also massless and frictionless for this numerical. Now he gave the angles and the angle of the ramps. Okay, one is 23 degrees, another one is 40 degrees, and the one of the mass block's mass is 10 kilograms. We have to find out the mass of the second block. Here, the entire system is in static equilibrium. So I have represented all the forces in a free body diagram. Let us see what are those forces. For 10 kg block, the forces acting on it are along the x direction, Fg parallel and F tension. So that means Fg parallel is balanced by the F tension. And then the perpendicular direction, Fg perpendicular is Fg1 perpendicular is balanced by the normal force. Okay. Now, coming to the second block. Here also, the Fg2 parallel is balanced by the F tension. And then the Fg2 perpendicular is balanced by the normal force. So ultimately, the tension in the string is same. That cable which is connecting both the strings has the same tension. Okay. Therefore, Fg1 parallel is balanced by Fg2 parallel. That is the conclusion from this free body diagram. Therefore, we have to write down what is Fg1 parallel and Fg2 parallel, and we have to equate so that we can find out the mass M2. Remember, the entire system is in static equilibrium. Therefore, Fg1 parallel is M1g sine theta 1, and then Fg2 parallel is M2g sine theta 2. So here theta values are given to us. M1 value also is given to us. Therefore, we have to find out M2. Now equating both the values, M1g sine theta 1 is equal to M2g sine theta 2. We can find out M2. I plugged in the values, and then finally I got M2 is equal to 6.1 kilograms. Please verify with your calculators. Okay. So the system is in static equilibrium, and I have drawn all the forces on the blocks, and then what are the forces are balancing, and then what are the remaining ones, and then I calculated the mass M2. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.